What's up, y'all? Today on LS1 of Houston Entertainment, we will be dealing with the Targa top. So on my Targa top, I noticed that the headliner, if you look up, it's gross. How I got it from the last person, it's gross. And I mean, I'm not saying it's his fault. He never messed with it or anything, but you know, over the years, this thing has just obviously been put through a lot. So today I will be replacing that with some I always have a tongue twister there, with some suede headliner. I was thinking of the word. But yeah, today I'm gonna switch it out with some suede headliner, and I'm gonna use that headliner plus 3M headliner adhesive. I got this headliner and the headliner adhesive from a friend of mine, good friend. She actually owns a massive, huge lifted Z71 Chevy. That thing is a monster. Y'all should go follow her at _her_Z71 on Instagram. Y'all go follow her and check out that content. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all will like off-road content. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this measured up and make sure we have a perfect fit with the headliner, and I'll get back to y'all in just a couple seconds. So right now I have everything measured it out. I did, let me see, 42 by 19, cutting out a square, and then I'm going to work around that to get to all the different shape that it actually is. But right now I'm using this pair of scissors. This scissors is actually working really good. It's actually really sharp, and I'm not sure if it's a fabric scissors or not. I'm not a scissors person, but if you're going to actually do an installation like this, I suggest using a scissors that looks like this. Alright, so I've got the piece that I got cut out. Cut that out right there. I've got the piece. I've got it laying over there, basically where it needs to go. Now, you always want to make sure that you cut your pieces out bigger than your actual headliner area that you're trying to get to. So then you can just, you know, make the cutouts, and then it should fit snug in place. But I kind of use that technique from construction sites, like putting in drywall and stuff like that. I always, myself personally, just cut the sheetrock out bigger than it's supposed to be, and then cut it down to fit perfectly in place. So that'll be my next step. Next up, while I'm getting these pieces all cut out to make sure it fits in perfect, so basically I'm taking the scissors and I'm just going around. Let me see. I'm just going around, pushing it in like that, and then it outlines what I need to cut. So basically you just have to do that all around to everything else, and you should be alright. Alright, y'all, so I got it all cut out. I'm not gonna lie, it is not perfect whatsoever. First time doing this, but I'm going to make it look as best as I can. Looks like it's finished from this angle actually, but I need to go ahead and put the headliner adhesive on, and I need to tuck it all around and make sure it fits in every corner. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all whenever I have the adhesive going and I'm tucking all the corners. Alright, y'all, so once you have the headliner adhesive sprayed on and you have all your corners tucked, just give it a good massage in and make sure that everything is all set. Make sure that the adhesive actually stuck to the suede. But here is my finishing product. Big shout out to that_her_Z71. I really appreciate it, because this Targa top was very disgusting before, but here's a good look at all the corners. You know, I feel like I did a pretty good job for my first time. but nothing's perfect, of course. Here goes a look at all the corners. But yeah, big shout out to her. Go check out her Instagram page again. Like I said, she gave me a bunch of suede, enough to get my target top all full. I'm gonna go ahead and give it back to her what's left, because you know she's probably got some other parts that she wants to get done. But alright y'all, so it's been like 30-40 minutes after I did the headliner for my target top, and I was like, okay, let me ask my friend if I can have some more suede, because I looked inside. Oh, puppy. I looked inside and I was like, man, I would love to definitely do some more suede inside of here. So if you look here, I did the center console, and I didn't do any how-to. I just went ahead and did that. If you see it in person, just go ahead, check it out, ask me how I did it. But next up is a suede shift boot. Wait for that, y'all. Y'all are gonna definitely love that. Alright y'all, so like I was saying earlier, I was going to do my my shifter boot, but I tried. It was too hard. I'd have to like fully do it how factory would do it, so I'd probably have to end up taking the whole shifter boot apart and sewing it like into from 2 pieces and measure it, of course. But I did in fact get my center console looking pretty dang good, and I'm pretty proud of it. I was very tired of it just being a flimsy piece of leather there, so I'm glad I got that going together. But that should be the end of this video, having all this suede done to my vehicle. Maybe I should just suede the whole entire thing. So thank y'all for watching, have a great night, and tune into the next one.